Hey everyone, it's Donna. And as promised, I'm doing another unboxing of Norwex. This is for the gold package that I got about 2 days ago from Norwex, and I wanted to go through it and show you the cool things they sent to me. Now, when you sign up to be a consultant, you get your basic package, and if you, within a time frame, I think it's 60, 90 days, something like that, if you sell a certain amount of product, you get your package free. Um, if not, it's like $200 for everything that was in that first box that they sent to you, but it's worth a lot more. So you're really getting a deal, even if you have to pay the $200. Now, for a small fee, a couple $100 more, it's a plus sub. You can go into the gold package, and then they have a higher package or a lower package. They have for different price points. But I chose the gold, and I want to show you what's in it. And while we go through this, I want you to subscribe, please. Okay? So here we go. They sent me a graphite towel, bath towel. Okay? And this is just a very thin little towel. But what is cool about their products is when you wipe it off, it has the microfiber and the silver in it. It will have the back lock in it, and it will take the bacteria off your body. You hang these towels up, you let them dry, and you can use them again. I wonder if this has a little tag on it. Yes, you hang it by this hook. You let it dry, and it will self-sanitize itself so that you can continue to use it for several days. Okay, very cool. They also sent me some body and face towels. I got this in my consultant package as well. I'll show it to you real quick. But they sent me 3 of these little bath towels. Now these will be great because I hate to do laundry. With these bath towels, think about it. You have one towel you're using probably all week. It self-sterilizes itself. These will self-sterilize. So if you use this to wash your face, dry your face off, or wash your, whatever, all you have to do is rinse it out in water, and you hang it up by the little tag. These tags are designed that you hang your towel up so they can self-sanitize. It has the name of what it is, bath and base, or body and face. Okay, so we have 3 of those. They then sent me several products, and everything this is one of the reasons I got it. All of this is gluten-free. Okay. And let's see here if they've written exactly what it does. But this is the stain remover. Okay. If you have a little spot you want to get up off anything, sent me that. I think these are full size. This is the produce wash. Oh, the good stuff. And when you they have bags, produce bags that you can put your produce in, but you need to be washing your produce. I have seen some people touching the fruit and reaching into the grapes and eating them in the last couple weeks, and it has really been bothering me. They have hair supplies. This is a daily conditioner, gluten-free. Okay, I think it's PBA free. It's everything. It's got a lot of really cool stuff that goes with it. I do not see it on here right off, but I do know it's gluten-free because I checked that out before I bought the product. They have the shampoo that they sent to me. Okay, full size. Then they sent the let's see, they sent a nozzle for the spray. This is for the produce spray. It's got to be. They also sent a mattress cleaner, and I've heard some really great things. It kills any type, how you have bed mites. You can put this and spray it on there. It will kill the bacteria, the organisms that grow into your bed mattress. It will kill them dead, okay? So that your mattress is fresh. They also have a dry laundry detergent. This is the liquid laundry detergent. Okay, looks like it's a full-size bottle. You use a very small amount, and I'm guessing this is enough to do. This is enough in this one bottle to do 215 loads. You don't have all the fillers that they put into all the other detergents. You're getting a nice clean wash where your clothes come out white. Okay, then we have the bathroom cleaner, gluten-free. A lot of chemicals removed, makes it a lot more pure to use it. They sent me another spray nozzle and another spray nozzle and 2 little caps to put on the tops of the 2 other products. These are the produce bags. There's 3 of them in this bag. You wash your produce, you put them in these bags to keep them fresh. They then sent me, because in my first bag, this is the duster. I'll go ahead and open it and show it to you. This is for high reaching places. But it has a little handle right here. And let's say that you need to clean, and you can use the pole that they sent in my standard box, my consultant box. And you can attach it to this so that, let's say you need to reach on top of a moving fan. You can use this little thing, clean it off, wash it, reuse it several times. This thing is supposed to adjust somehow. I'll have to play with it to learn how to do it. But you can reach up and you can clean high places with it. Now, let's say you have a log home. Log homes are a lot of work to keep those logs clean. You can take this and rub it all over quickly. Take it off. You can use that rubber brush that I had in my standard box. Let me show it to you. Let's say you're cleaning. You've got a lot of cleaning. You don't have time. You take this rubber brush. You dust it off. And you keep going. Get the cobwebs out of it. There you go. You just keep moving on. Then they sent me, what are they? Oh, I am really wondering about these things. These are the wool ball dryer cleaners. You replace dryer sheets with this. Dryer sheets are very dangerous. They put toxins onto your body, and also when you are washing any of the Norwex products, never put a dryer sheet with the Norwex product. You wash your towels, you put them in the dryer alone, okay? I would not even I don't know if we can use this, but what I have been told is you wash them, you dry the towels alone, because if you have a dryer sheet in with the Norwex towels, it will absorb all the chemicals. If you have it in there with other towels, it will pull the fibers off of the other towels, and it won't be any good anymore, basically. So you've got to do it a certain way. When you wash your Norwex towels, always wash them alone with each other. Now, when you're doing your regular laundry, instead of using a dryer sheet, use a wool ball. It'll bounce around in there. It will make your clothes nice and fluffy, is what they say. I've never tried it yet, but it's supposed to, okay? So I'm really, really wondering about that. On the facial towels, and I did get some of those, I'm really curious about that because I have a spot of eczema. For people with eczema, they say that if you use these facial towels, you'll notice a difference of the eczema going away because you're not putting any chemicals. You're using water, you're using the soft towels, and it's keeping your skin as clean as it can possibly get. They also sent me a Scouring Sponge. Okay, and this is just a scouring sponge. We all need our scouring pads. There's 2 in a box that they sent me. I'll pull it out. I'll let you see it, but it's just a scouring pad. They sent a lot of customer receipt papers. They sent, I think there's 20 of the Norwex catalogs here. And I got several in my consultant box, but they sent a lot more. These are the vent disc and clips. Oh, and I do not know what these do. A vent disc and clip. I will have to figure this one out. So if any of you know what a disc is and the clips, could you please tell me? Okay. And if you have any questions, I'll try to answer them for you. And here's something I was excited about, not to change the topic, is these facial pads. And the facial pads are in a little cute little zipper bag. Okay. Move this out of the way so in case it's showing. But there's little pads in here, and you can put these when you're cleaning your face. Let's see here. Let's say you're removing makeup. Okay. You do this, boop, 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 boop. You rinse them out. Okay. You put them, when you're done and they're all dirty, you put them inside this bag and you wash them inside the bag. Okay. Isn't that cute? Reusable. There's like 5 in a bag, something like that. They also sent me a facial mitt to exfoliate and clean my face. They have the Elvis Presley towel is what I call it. This is a, oh, this isn't it. This is a face towel. Cool. So I've got 2 of these little face towels. No, 3. Look at this. And they sent different colors. So when I'm washing my face, I can use this to dry off. And these are incredibly soft. Oh my, very soft. And you can hang these up, rinse them out. They self-sterilize. Hang them up like this, and you can use them again. And once a week, you guys just take them, throw them in the washer, let them clean out. Dry them without a dryer sheet. Then we have a stainless steel cleaner. So if you have a stainless steel refrigerator, anything that's stainless steel, stove, you can take that and you can clean it off. Dishwasher in the front, it won't scratch it. What else did they send me? This is like Christmas, you guys. Oh, they sent me one of the dishcloths, and you'll notice how they are see-through. So they go through, they grab everything. You hang these up, and they will self-sterilize. Very cool. Then we have, what is this? Oh, this is the exfoliating body mitt. So it's a little rougher on this side, okay? And I've heard my best friend say what she does is, she sells this, and actually I'm working to sell under her. She says, I used to use shaving cream or soap on my legs, and now I just take this, I exfoliate my skin on the rougher side, and then with just water, and she goes, then I flip it over, and I kind of wash it with the soft part of the mitt, and then I shave my legs with water. I said, I would be cut to death if you did that, if I did this to myself. She says, no, Donna, you do not get cut. Your legs come out silky smooth. It's wonderful. Water, no more chemicals, no more shaving cream. So then we're going down here, and we have one last thing. And I love it that these things are marked. This is called the Scrub something. Scrub in. Scrub Norwex. Oh, okay. So this must be just something to scrub if you're cleaning your car maybe, or no, you wouldn't use this on your car, but you could use this on like your countertops if you have something that you need to scrub off. And then this is a polishing mitt. Okay, and I'm not sure about this one. I gotta be honest, I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna have to get into the book myself because I've never seen this one before. But I do notice that it is divided in half right here, so you can put your hand in it to kind of grip it. I'll be curious to see what that does. So anyway, that is my gold box package unboxing. And I'm going to put my link below if you'd like to order any of the things that you've seen here. If you would like to become a consultant, please let me know, and I can sign you up to be a consultant. Norwex is very generous with the gifts they give out. They're not gifts, but the products that they give out that you are selling. So my plan is to sell this, perfect time in life in these days and the days that are ahead, to keep your home clean. I also have a Facebook link that I'll be posting this to, and the link will be posted below in my YouTube thing. So you guys stay safe. Keep your homes clean. remove those germs. Use these things in your cars. I use it in my car. I use them in the house. I use them on the doorknobs. I put them everywhere because, you know, these are trying times for everybody as far as diseases. There's so many people. I was reading a lot, like when I was a kid, there were only 30 million people in America, and now there's over 300 million people in America. We have a lot of people here. We're going to have to be a lot cleaner. We're going to have to be a lot more careful. Anyway, please subscribe. And if you would like to be a consultant, let me know. And please shop down below. They're right during COVID time, they're having about a 2-week delay on the products coming to you because they're saying, you know, the shipments are going out as fast as we can get them out, but please be patient. So there may be a 10-day, 2-week delay. Don't panic if you order something. The products that you order will be shipped directly to your door. Isn't that pretty cool? So anyway, take care and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.